Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can clone your voice in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we want to go to the create option in the main menu. And then from here, what we're looking for is the audio option. Now we are on the custom tab, and from there we can find the audio option here. Actually, I think it's there as well. It is also here. But I might suggest I do majority of what I do on custom. And in this case, clicking on audio, you'll see that you have upload or record. So you can upload a file of yourself singing, or you can just record yourself singing and it will essentially clone your voice. Now, the thing that's important to understand about this is that it's not going to sound exactly like you. It might sound a little bit like you, but a hell of a lot better. So just bear that in mind. It's clones your voice, but it is not going to sound exactly like you. So just keep that in mind. So what we could do is we can hit record here, and that's going to bring up this option. So if we want to record ourselves singing, then we can do that. We can bring that in there. If we just want to upload something, then we can do that as well. But let's go ahead and we're going to just try something out here. This is as good as it gets. This is as good as it gets. Check your expectations, try not to stress so. This is as good as it gets. Okay, so we have our recording now. We're going to go ahead and hit save. And it's going to save this to our library. Might take just a moment for that to complete. We'll just let it finish thinking. Uploaded audio contains copyrighted lyrics. I'm not sure how that's possible considering I wrote that song. So that's a little bit strange, but we'll go ahead and just roll with it here. So once you have your audio brought in, then you should see where it says uploaded. So anytime you upload something, if you do a recording or something, you're going to see this icon here that says uploaded. So you're just going to want to make sure that once you've brought in your audio, then we'll just use this one as an example. We can come over to the three dots over here. You're going to see this option that says remix edit. Click on that. And then here where it says cover, you can click on that. And then we have over here in our details, we have the song, the lyrics and everything. And actually this was something I had previously uploaded. So you're going to want to make sure that you probably have your lyrics in there, whatever it is, but you're going to then hit create. And when you do that, then it's going to start working. So we'll just hit create there, show new clips. Here you can see it working and it's creating a cover. Now, this is going to sound something like me. Not exactly, but something. And then from here, what we can do is we can click these three dots. And what we want to do is we want to create a persona. I guess we can't do that through here. So what we're going to do then is we're going to come back over here, on the left-hand side, scroll all the way up. You're going to see here where it says persona. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we want to create a new persona. So we want it to be based on a specific song. And we want the song that we just created to be the basis for the song. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then here, we want to name our persona. So you can name it whatever you want. If you want to just name it yourself. So if your name is Janet, then you could put Janet there, or you could put whatever you want. You can prompt Suno to create an image. You can upload a photo if you want. You can describe the persona. And essentially what we're doing with the persona is how we are essentially cloning your voice, you might say. And we're capturing it with a specific sound. And like I said, it's an approximation. It's not going to make your voice sound exactly like you. So keep that in mind. Once you're done, you can hit save. I'm going to go ahead and just not save that because I have other personas here I've already created. And so you can see here that I've created this persona for myself. And this is based on my original vocals. And so anytime I want to create a song with those original vocals, then I come here. Now, you might want to create a different persona if it's a different style of music though. So here I've got this, but I've got grunge, electronic, rock, metal, all that kind of stuff. So if I wanted to use my voice, but I wanted to have a different vibe I was going for, then you're going to want to make sure that you specify the styles correctly. But that's essentially how you clone your voice in Suno. So if you feel like you want some more hands-on training, if you head over to our Discord, you will find that we offer the Suno Music Mastery Training. For $200, we will take you one-on-one through Suno, 4 hours of intensive training, hands-on practice with real projects, and lifetime access to training materials, and we'll give you a certificate of completion when you're done. So if you want to learn how to use Suno, then just let us know, and we'll be happy to help you with that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. And also, we're providing a course called How to Make an AI Animated Music Video. If you click on the link to WAP for $30, we'll take you through our process, teach you how to make your own AI animated music video masterpieces. Finally, if you are interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the referral in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.